How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup work around the house. We just had an egress window installed into our basement. We're gonna be putting a bedroom downstairs, at least for now, for a spare bedroom until our girls get older. Then we'll have a bedroom down below. But we had an egress window installed down here by a local company called Iowa Wall Sawing, and they did a great job. I had to pull back the landscaping here so to get down in there, but we have a nice big egress window now with the Rockwell window well in place, and then now a window well cover. So got a pile of dirt around here left we have to move out of the way, some topsoil we kept, and get that all buttoned up. So when I cleared all that gravel out of the way, I went ahead and put it on my makeshift rock pallet here with my pallet forks to keep it over here out of the way. To set it down, we'll pick it back up, move it back over there, and we'll fill the rock back in around those areas that we've got to do. So let's get after it and see what we can get done today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I'd like to get as much done as I can so I don't have a muddy mess and keeps everything clean here. Kind of tucking the fabric up inside this. Yes, this is going to settle about 6 inches. But I'm trying to get this, because it's supposed to get some rain. I don't want mud splattering everywhere. So I'm trying to get this to where we keep the mud down by getting the fabric back in place. And hopefully keep some of that erosion away and it can just settle down into place. At least that's the hope anyways. I put a hose under here running water and I let it run for 24 hours. Nothing flooded, there wasn't any big issues, but this is what we're left with. It settled 12 inches and it settled pretty good. So we're gonna use the Mahinda here. We're gonna get some buckets of dirt, fill in back around this and tamp it down as good as we can so we can roll the fabric back and fill this back in with gravel so we're all done. So anyways, long story short, if you're gonna use a hose to help give you some moisture in the ground here to get this all to settle again, make sure you shut the hose off. Again, no harm, no foul in my case. Nothing got in the basement. There was nothing leaking. But you're going to have some pretty saturated ground and it's going to settle pretty quick, which is fine. It did what it wanted to do. Anyways, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to grab some dirt with a tractor and see if we can fill this in quick. foam in there, but we're gonna take the rest of this and scoop her down in there and pack it in a little bit. Some nice soil up around this window well. So it was a little clumpy, so it's gonna settle a little bit more, but I think overall we got a lot of the settling, you know, taken care of with that moisture I put in there. But we'll see what happens here. Kind of feathers down in around there. We're gonna get a bunch of moisture again this week, it looks like, so just trying to, again, like I said, I want to get a bunch of moisture settling down in there, so. Pack it in here as good as we can. Let's go get another bucket and drop it in here. Pack this down a little bit. We'll see how it does. It rains on it some more. I am gonna put a couple inches of gravel in here, left over when we dug the hole out. I should say our landscape rock. So pack it down a little bit with my feet here, and I think we're just gonna call that good for now until it rains a little bit. We get some moisture on it. See how well it does pack down. All right, guys, we're gonna call that quits for the day. I think that's gonna be good enough for now. Again, this is gonna be good to get this all done here. You can see around most of the house, I've got the edging and rock. I'm just gonna make this go out around this a little bit to kind of keep a uniform shape, as you can kind of see how the bricks are laid out there. But first I got this to settle down a little bit and back in. Might have to add a little tiny bit more to this side. We'll see what happens, but we'll do that and then put the landscape fair back over it and put the rock over there back on top of this. We'll be done. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick video today. I'm all hot and sweaty. I'm gonna go inside, grab a shower, get some supper, and call it a night. Thanks for stopping in. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, that's fine. Give me some feedback how I can make this stuff better. And if you guys like this kind of content, hit that little bell so you get notifications when I post more videos like this. Thanks again for stopping in. Until next time, it's Kyle signing out.